Dear students, in previous class, function definition, domain, codomain, range definitions completed. Function definition. A relation f from set A to set B is said to be a function. Condition. If every element in set A has a unique image in set B, then f is called function. Then after domain, codomain. F from A to B is a function. Set A is called domain. Set B is called codomain. Range. Range means the set of all images. The set of all images of A is called range of the function. It is denoted by f of A. Okay, students. After one more important point. This is a very important point. Already I explained one more time. Suppose f is a function from A to B. In set A, element is x, set B, element is y. X image is y. Now, here y is called image of x under f. It is denoted by f of x equals to y. Very important notation. Now, x is an element in set A, y is an element in set B. Now, y is image of x under f. It is denoted by f of x equal to y. F of x equal to y, that means y is image of x under f. Now, x is called pre-image of y. This point also very important. Okay, students? Right. One question also completed. After next question. So, what I am following? Definitions completed. Related definition problems immediately I will explain. Some is textbook questions, some is miscellaneous questions. Already one exercise question completed. Next one, this is miscellaneous questions. Let A equals to, elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. And set B elements are 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. And F equals to, first pair 1, 5, next 2, 9, 3, 1. That means one image is 5. 2, 9 means 2 image is 9. First one is x, second one is y. X, y. Y is called image of x. Like that. 3, 1. 3 image is 1. 4, 5, 2, 11. Question. Are the following true? Two cases are given. Which is following true? First one, f is a relation from A to B. After second one, f is a function from A to B. First one, question is f is a relation from A to B is asking. Students, you know basic formula. F is a relation from A to B. Condition, f subset of A cross B. Very important. Relation chapter, relation definition. Any subset of A cross B is called relation. Here f is a relation from A to B means f subset of A cross B. Suppose f subset of A cross B, then f is a relation from A to B. Otherwise it is not a relation. So here A cross B important because already f is given. So students, now first A cross B, Cartesian product of two sets. Case 1 start. A cross B equals to, now set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross set B elements are 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. Every day please watch videos, each and every question. Once you are watching, you are easily understanding problems. After class completed, your responsibility, all questions immediately write down in our regular notebook. Now students, you know Cartesian product. Start with the first element. Now take all elements in second set, arranging order pairs 1, 1. Next students, 1, 5. Then after, you know, 1, 9. Next 1, 11. Next 1, 15. 1, 16. After with 2, 2, 1. Next 2, 5. Next 2, 9. 2, 11. Next 2, 15. Next 2, 16. Then after with 3, 3, 1. Like that. 3, 5. Next 3, 9. 3, 11. 3, 15. 3, 16. Okay, students. Lastly, with 4, 4 1, 4 5, 4 9, 4 11, 4 15. Lastly, 4 16. This is A cross B. Now, see all of you. F. In F, pair is 1 5. This pair also in A cross B, yes, is also present. Next 2 9. Here 2 9, yes, 2 9. Next 3 1. So 3 1. Next 4 5. Yes, 4 5. Next 2 11. One more is 2 11. So each element in F is also an element in A cross B. Therefore, F subset of A cross B. F subset of A cross B means F is a relation from A to B. So first statement is true. Okay, so this is the solution. A cross B, write down. Then after your answer, each element in F is also an element in A cross B. Therefore, F subset of A cross B. Therefore, F is a relation from A to B. Case 1 completed. Okay, students, right? After case 2. For case 2, I am following arrow diagram method. Easily you are understand. First to draw two sets by using Venn diagramming method. Venn diagramming, first set A, after set B. Set A and set B both are opposite. First set A elements. This set A, this is set B. Set A elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B elements are 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. Now here F equals to they given. One image is 5. Next 2 image is 9. After 3 image is 1. Next 4 image is 5. Next 2 image is 11. 90% you are understanding. What is function definition? Every element in set A has a unique image, only one image in set B. Then F is called function. Now student, here one has only one image 5, no problem. But the element 2 has two images. One is 9, other one is 11. So one element has two images. Function definition, each element has only one image, but 2 has two images. Therefore it is not a function. Case 2, what is our answer? F is not a function because the element 2 in set A has two images in set B. This Chinese language, please understand, students, right? Case 2, F is not a function because the element 2 in set A, otherwise write down, don't worry. The element 2 in set A has two different images in set B. Therefore, F is not a function. F is only relation. Okay, students, function definition, every element in set A has unique image in set B. One has only image, no problem. 3 also only image, 4 also only image, but 2 has two images. That reason it is not a function. Problem completed. Right? After next question.